First Alert Desk, Hoover police arresting a woman they say filed a false report that her nephew fired a weapon at her. Police say Joni Langford Green called them on Wednesday night saying that her nephew, a Birmingham police officer, fired at her during an argument. Now, Hoover police held that officer in jail while they investigated. They found that while the officer had accidentally discharged the weapon while cleaning it days earlier, they could not find evidence that he had fired at his aunt Green. They released the officer and charged Green, whose bond was set at $500. And by the way, if you're wondering whatever happened to that push to strengthen laws to prosecute people who are accused of filing false reports in response to the Carly Russell case, that bill is still in the legislature.